Very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So in the last part of the video, we had discussed about that how the cloths are made. That what material made your cloths. We had came to learn about that cloths are made from the fibers. There are two types of fiber. That is your natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay. Then I had given you the homework that you have to find out the difference between natural and synthetic fibers. So what is the difference between the natural and synthetic fiber? Yes, natural fibers which we obtain from the nature, such as your plants, your animals and insects. That fibers are called natural fibers. Example of natural fiber are your cotton, wool, jute, silk. Then come to your synthetic or man-made fibers, which are made by the man in the factories. Okay, for example, your nylon, nylon, polyester, all these are the example of the synthetic fiber. So that is the difference between your natural fiber and the synthetic fibers. One more thing, your synthetic fibers can catch fire easily. So we should be always careful when we wear them. Okay, especially in the kitchen. So now today we will start our next topic, that is caring for clothes. That it is important to take good care of the clothes. Okay, to make them last longer. So there are some good ways that how can we take care of our clothes. One of them is you have to wash your clothes regularly. You have to dry clothes in the sun, or has sunlight kill germs. Okay, you have to iron the clothes. Okay, you have to when you wear the silk and woolen cloths, so it should be dry clean or washed with a mild detergent. A patient cloth must be sanitized with an antiseptic solution. Sanitize means free from the germs. We have to wash the patient cloth with an antiseptic solution. Next is silk and woolen cloth should be stored with mothballs or dried neem leaves in dry closed boxes or almirahs. Okay, we have to keep our silk and woolen cloths in the dried neem leaves. Okay, so that's all for that's all. Okay, that is our last topic of this chapter. Now we will do the checkpoint number 3. That is your state true or false. You have to tell me that which statement is true and which statement is false. So here first part is your special clothes worn in different states are called traditional dresses. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. We should not wash our clothes regularly. True or false? False. Drying clothes in sunlight attracts germs to them? False. Sunlight kills the germs. Okay. Silk is a man-made fiber? False. Silk is made by the insect. Okay. So here we complete our checkpoint number 3. Now come to your next section. That is I wish I knew. You know, early men used to wear cloth which is made up of leaves and animal skin. Yes, your early man. Here is your early man. Okay, he wear the cloth which is made up of your leaves and the animal skin. Now next is I think and reflect section. Okay, suppose you are going to Jaisalmer in summer vacation with your family. Okay, so what kind of clothes would you carry? So what kind of clothes would you carry? You have to tell me. Okay, in the next class you have to tell me that what kind of clothes would you carry. So that is your homework. You have to find out that when you go to the Jaisalmer in the summers, then what kind of clothes should you carry with you. Okay, so that's all for today. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed about that how can we take care of our clothes. Okay, we have to wash them regularly. We have to dry them in the sunlight so that sunlight kills the germs. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. For the reference, you can use my Mypedia integrated learning app.